Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I would like to show you some coins and banknotes that I brought from the auction. I brought a bunch of American coins. The first coin is a very interesting coin here, 1883 CC MS64 DMPL, which is Deep Mirror Proof Light. This is a very expensive coin because it's Sultan City and also MS64 Deep Mirror Proof Light. This one also is 1885 MS64 Proof Light. And you can realize the difference here between the Deep Mirror Proof Light and the Proof Light finish. I have here a banknote, and I would like to show you the difference between the Deep Mirror PL and the PL. So you can see here, you can see the reflection, the mirror. You can even read what is this banknote. It's like a mirror. But here, you can see a little bit, but not close to this deep mirror finish. On the other side as well, I think this will be even more visible. So see, can you see this mirror around on the background of the coin? But here you can see a little bit, but not close to the deep mirror proof light. So this coin is roughly around $1,400. Around that figure. It can increase, can decrease, depends on the market value and where do you buy or sell the coin. This coin is roughly around $250. Another proof light, 1881 San Francisco. This one will be around as well, $250. 1887 MS66 and another MS66 1881 San Francisco. These two coins around $300, $350, around that figure. This is a very interesting coin from Egypt, the Qirsh or Qirsh. From Egypt, MS65. I believe the highest grade in this coin is MS66. So this is considered to be a nice coin. The price of this coin would be between, I would say, $130 to $160. But it's a good piece. It's a very good piece and rare in this grade. I brought as well this Chinese coin. This is 2004 10 yuan, 1 ounce. As you know, previously China Mint used to mint in ounces. Now it's all in grams, 30 grams. Then I brought a bunch of quarters with different design. So this is a pure silver quarter. They minted this in the, I think, 2020 with different shapes and design for the national park. Each coin consists of like roughly 6.5 grams of pure silver, National Park of Art. It's a very good piece if you manage to get them in a good price. Then I brought some banknotes for the people who ask me about banknotes. I will probably make a separate video about each one of them, but quickly, this is the 1 peso 1983, and the condition here is not it's not uncirculated. I think this is a VF, fine. So yeah, this will be roughly maybe between 20 to, I would say this will be like 50 cents. Venezuela to Bolivar. I like the banknotes of Venezuela. It's really nice. You have one vertical design and one horizontal, which is really nice. I like the color. Very nice. And then I have 2 notes from Mauritania, and this is, by the way, uncirculated, or not uncirculated, unissued. So meaning that the Bank of Mauritania, they printed this notes, but they didn't release it to the public. This is the 1000 uqiyya in Arabic. It's very nice. This is a 1989 and this is a 1981. Each one of them, this note would be roughly, I would say, from $2 to $3 in this condition. And then I brought a bunch of notes as well. This is 5 million from Greece, 1944, during the hyperinflation. This is a Syrian 1000 lira with Al-Assad, the father. And also this bunch of Iranian coins, banknotes, the 2000 rial, the 50 rial with the Shah picture, the 2000 rial, and this is 100 rial. This note was printed, I believe, in the early 80s, maybe 1983 or 84, around that. So this Egyptian note, very beautiful, 1965, the 5 pounds. And they printed this note in 1964 and 1965. The 1965 is more rare than the 1964. It's a very nice note. In this condition would be roughly around like $40 to $50. This is another Iranian notes, the 5000 rial. A note from Tunisia, 10 dinar. Russian note is very nice. This is the 10 rubles, 1918. Very beautiful note. I like Russian notes. This is roughly $40. This is a 1909, 10 rubles. This also, I think, will be like $10, $10 to $12, $15. Then Japanese note, 200 yen. This, they printed this, I think, in the 40s. It's very nice note, and also rare. In this condition is rare. This is an expensive note. This will be roughly, I would say, $180 to $250. Last but not least, 10 dinars from Libya. It's not uncirculated. It's definitely has some issues here, but it's a good note and popular as well in the Middle East. So this is very quickly. I will be making separate videos for all these notes. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want any note or any coin, let me know in the comment and I will make sure to bring it to you here so that I can show it and share the knowledge and information. Thank you so much and I wish you a very good day.